Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by checking your Lloyd TV firmware and network connection for compatibility. Make sure your TV runs a recent firmware and connects to 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Next, sign into a Google account directly on the TV under Accounts. Add your Google credentials if you have not already done so. Prepare a remote that includes a mic. Alternatively, pair a Bluetooth remote using Settings and Remotes before you enable Assistant on the device. Open Settings on the Lloyd TV and navigate to Apps, then Google Assistant. Tap to enable Google Assistant and grant microphone permissions when prompted on screen. Press and hold the mic button on your remote for 2 seconds to start the setup flow. Follow prompts to set up voice match and to select language. Choose NUS or your local preference. Confirm permission to access calendar and media for personalized results and app launching features during setup. Use Google Assistant on your Lloyd TV to open apps and control playback hands-free. Say commands like Open Netflix or Set Volumeto 50% for quick control and consistent results. You can say Play music in YouTube or launch Prime Video to start streaming immediately. Ask for sports scores or weather with short phrases during viewing. Use routines to combine actions with a single command for convenience. Manage privacy by deleting assistant recordings in My Activity or disabling voice match features when needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.